Right, hello people, it's the Urban Cook back again. What we're going to make today is some vegetarian Scotch eggs. So instead of sausage meat, I'm going to use this stuff here. Let me see that. But it basically is, I'll show you that. These, not Tesco's Plant Chef, Cumberland style bangers. Got roasted mushrooms, pea protein and classic seasonings. These are really tasty. So basically I've taken these out, took out the skins and put it in a bowl. We've got our eggs obviously, and then we've got some breadcrumbs, brown toasted breadcrumbs, chives, garlic, a couple of egg yolks, some more breadcrumbs if I need it, and basically that's about it. So I'll get started, and I've got a little blender, emptying our sausage mix, and we're going to add to that our garlic, our chives, and our egg yolks, and we'll take this mixture, take it over to the blender and blend it so it's all nice and silky smooth. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Bring it back over to here and put it back in the bowl. I'm going to let it chill out in the fridge for a little while. Once that's done, see you in a little while. Right, we're back. But what we've got to do is get a nice helping of this mix, sausage mix, but it's not sausage anyway. Put that in the centre of some cling film. Get it off, it's quite sticky. What we're going to do, a bit tricky this bit, basically spread it out. Get your egg, plop it in the middle, like that. Cut off the excess cling film. And what you've got to do is basically pick this up and sort of like nestle it in and bring all the meat round it. End up a little ball and cover it in like that. And stick that in the plate, and we're going to stick these back in the fridge. So I'll do the others and we'll be back in a minute. Right, so they're done, all wrapped up in their little cling filled balls. So we'll put these in the fridge, I don't know, probably about another hour, and then we'll crack on. See you in a minute. Right, we're back. The little egg covered little balls have been chilling in the freezer, well, fridge. So I'm going to take these out. Hopefully they're going to stay together. Where it gets a bit messy. Put these in the egg, like that. A bit of breadcrumbs. breadcrumbs right in there. Oh, these are panko breadcrumbs. So I don't know whether I told you that, but anyway. There's one of them. The only bit I don't like about this, it does get a bit messy. I'm sure there's a way of doing it without getting covered in stuff. So anyway. Round them off a little bit. Into the egg. Into the breadcrumbs. Put them in the basket. Just got to wash my hands. Be back in a minute. Right, I'm back. Yeah, it's a bit messy doing this bit, but you know, okay. I've just checked the oil. Yeah, I think that looks good. So what I'm going to do is take these, lovely, get them in the old fryer. We'll let them cook away. Get this plate out. Get like 3 layers of tissue for when these are done. We'll wait till they're browned off and we'll be back in a minute. While they're doing the do, I'm going to do these other two. Doing the do, and I'll do these other two. I must be a poet as well. Anyway, let's get these ones out. Could have done a little bit longer in the fridge really. Just checking the other ones. Double dip this one, I think. See what happens. Superb. Be back in a minute. Yeah! Be there in about another 5 minutes. Let them drain for a little bit. We'll flop them out onto the old tissue. These are drained nicely. Over to here. Flop them out onto the just off the tissue. Well, they look nice. I'll get these other two. Put them in the old basket. And we'll be back when them two are done and see you in a minute. Don't they look good? Right, we're back. So we've got our Scotch eggs. They look really nice. So what I do is just carve open one of these. Look at that. It's the first time ever trying these. And they're veggie ones. A little bit thin here, but they look really good. I'll just bring them in for a closer shot. So there we have it. They look really nice. So it's the first time I ever tried doing these. The next ones I might try and bake in the oven, but I don't know yet. But give it a go, it's quite easy to do. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And see what we come up with. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.